For problem 58, you've got to remember how to use the Stat button on your calculator to enter the data. Once you've entered the data, you're going to press Stat again, go over to Calculate, and choose Quadratic Regression, or Quadreg. Then you're going to press vars yvars and choose y1, and that will store your equation in y equals in your calculator. When you do that, you end up with y equals 2x squared minus 2x minus 2. So that's going to be your equation. Now to determine what the value of y is, if x equals 6, you can substitute 6 into this equation every time you see an x. Or you can go to your calculator and look at the table. Since we did the vars yvars step, we'll be able to see those values in our table. So I can simplify this now to y equals 2 times 36, which is 72, minus 12 minus 2. And that gives me 58. So 58 is what I get for y if x equals 6, and my quadratic function that models this data is y equals 2x squared minus 2x minus 2. In the last problem, we're looking for the roots of the equation. Remember, roots are the same thing as zeros, which are the same thing as solutions, which are the same thing as x-intercepts. So you could solve this by graphing it and looking for x-intercepts, but it's possible that it won't have any, that it has imaginary solutions. The only way we can solve quadratics that always get solutions is either completing the square or by using the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this problem, our b value is negative 1. So I've got negative negative 1, which will be positive 1. And then I'm going to square that, because it's negative b squared, minus 4 times a is 3 and c is 2. All over 2 times a, which again is 3. Now you can use your calculator if you want to find the discriminant. Remember, the discriminant is the value that's under the square root. And in this case, we're going to get a 1 minus 24, which gives us a negative 23. Now, as you guys know, we can't take square roots of negative numbers to get real answers. So what we're going to get here is an imaginary answer or solution that involves an I. When I take the square root of a negative 1, I get I. So I'm going to do 1 plus or minus I times 23 divided by 6. And that is our final answer for the review packet.